8 Reasons Sigma Male Perfect Environment to Pick Up Girls. The concept of the Sigma male emerges from the shadows of societal norms, challenging the conventional hierarchy that places the alpha at the pinnacle of social desirability. This enigmatic figure, the Sigma, thrives on the periphery, crafting a world where independence and self-sufficiency are not just valued but celebrated. Their allure is not in dominance or overt charisma, but in the subtlety of their presence, the depth of their persona, and the mystery that shrouds their actions and motivations. This introduction to the Sigma male sets the stage for understanding how their unique traits make them intriguingly attractive, particularly in the nuanced realm of interpersonal relationships. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. 1. Autonomy, the foundation of attraction. The Sigma male's autonomy is a beacon of intrigue, illuminating a path less traveled in the quest for companionship. This autonomy is not born of isolation, but of a deliberate choice to be self-reliant, to find contentment within rather than seeking it through the validation of others. This trait suggests a profound sense of self-awareness and an inner richness, signaling to potential partners the presence of a solid, stable foundation upon which meaningful connections can be built. This autonomy, paradoxically, makes the Sigma male more, not less, attractive, as it promises a relationship grounded in mutual respect and individuality, where two wholes come together, not out of need, but out of a desire to share and enhance their already fulfilling lives. 2. Mystery, the spark of curiosity. Mystery envelops the Sigma male like a cloak, a subtle yet undeniable presence that draws others closer in a bid to uncover what lies beneath. This inherent mystique is not a facade but a natural extension of their persona, born from their tendency to observe rather than dominate conversations and to share thoughts sparingly, ensuring each word carries weight. This selective sharing creates an aura of intrigue, compelling others to lean in, listen more closely, and seek a deeper understanding. The Sigma male's mystery is akin to a puzzle, inviting curiosity and engagement, making the process of getting to know them an intriguing journey of discovery. This allure lies not in what is immediately visible, but in what is slowly revealed, offering a dynamic and engaging form of attraction that evolves over time. 3. Nonconformity. In a world that often rewards conformity, the Sigma male's path of nonconformity is a testament to their strength of character and individuality. This deliberate divergence from societal expectations is not an act of rebellion, but a statement of authenticity. By choosing to live by their own rules, Sigma males embody a form of quiet resistance that is inherently attractive to those who value depth and authenticity. This nonconformity suggests a life lived with intention, a deliberate crafting of one's existence that is both inspiring and attractive. It speaks to a potential partner's desire for a relationship that transcends conventional norms, offering a partnership based on mutual growth, respect, and an exploration of life's infinite possibilities. 4. Emotional depth, the connection beyond surface. The Sigma male's introspective nature and comfort with solitude hint at a wellspring of emotional depth, a treasure trove of thoughts, feelings, and reflections that are shared selectively, adding value to every word. This depth is not just intellectual but emotional, suggesting a capacity for empathy, understanding, and genuine connection that transcends the superficial. In the dance of attraction, emotional depth is a magnet, drawing others toward the promise of meaningful conversations and a shared vulnerability. This trait suggests not just a partner who listens, but one who truly hears, offering a shoulder, an ear, and a heart in times of joy, sorrow, and everything in between. The emotional depth of a Sigma male promises a relationship where emotions are not feared but embraced, creating a bond that is both resilient and deeply fulfilling. 5. Quiet confidence, the subtle strength. Confidence, when wielded by the Sigma male, is not a loud declaration but a quiet assertion, a subtle yet powerful presence that speaks volumes through actions rather than words. This quiet confidence is born from a deep-seated belief in one's abilities and values, a foundation that does not require external validation. It's a confidence that is felt rather than flaunted, offering a sense of stability and reliability that is inherently attractive. In the realm of relationships, this quiet confidence suggests a partner who is secure in themselves and their relationship, capable of offering support without overshadowing and leading without dominating. It's a strength that promises not just a partner, but a sanctuary, a steady hand in the tumultuous journey of life. 6. Adaptability. The ease of being expanded. The Sigma male's adaptability is a testament to their understanding that the only constant in life is change. This trait, a blend of resilience and flexibility, allows them to navigate life's ups and downs with grace, viewing challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth. In relationships, this adaptability translates to a partner who is understanding, patient, and willing to compromise, traits that are essential for navigating the complexities of shared life. This ease of being suggests a relationship where changes and challenges are faced together, with the confidence that whatever comes can be adapted to and overcome. It promises a partnership that grows stronger with each hurdle, grounded in mutual support and understanding. 7. Intelligence. The mind as a magnet. Intelligence, in the context of the Sigma male, is not merely academic, but encompasses emotional, social, and practical dimensions. This multifaceted intelligence offers engaging conversations, insightful observations, and a keen understanding of the world and the people in it. This trait is magnetic, drawing others toward the promise of a relationship that stimulates the mind as much as the heart. It suggests a partnership where ideas are shared freely, growth is pursued collectively, and curiosity is a shared journey. This intellectual compatibility is a cornerstone of attraction, promising a connection that is both intellectually rewarding and emotionally fulfilling. 8. Presence. The power of the moment. In a world increasingly dominated by distractions, the Sigma male's capacity for presence is a rare and valuable trait. This ability to be fully in the moment, offering undivided attention and genuine engagement, is a powerful form of attraction. It suggests a partner who values the now, who listens not just to respond but to understand, and whose attention is a gift of their time and self. This presence is comforting, offering a sense of importance and validation that is deeply attractive. It promises a relationship where moments are cherished, where conversations are deep and meaningful, and where being together is valued above all else. These qualities, each a thread in the rich tapestry of their persona, weave together to form an allure that is both complex and deeply human. The Sigma male's approach to life and relationships challenges conventional norms, promising a partnership based on mutual respect, growth, and a deep, meaningful connection. In the dance of attraction, the Sigma male moves to a rhythm all their own, inviting those who are drawn to their enigmatic presence to join in a journey of discovery, connection, and shared humanity, but also illuminates the nuanced and multifaceted nature of attraction itself, inviting a deeper understanding and appreciation of the diverse ways in which we connect and find companionship. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.